In Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna explained three gunas sattva, raja, tama. That is, sattvam sukhe sanjayati, raja karmani bharata, jnanam avrute tu tamah, pramade sanjayat yuta. That means, hey Arjuna, sattva guna leads to the happiness, raja guna leads to the action, and tama guna covers the knowledge.
Acharya Charaka in his Sutrasthana says that Prakriti hi Moola Bhutaha, which means Prakriti is a main cause behind every activity of a human body. Acharyas have mentioned two types of Prakriti, one is Deha Prakriti and the other is Manasa Prakriti. Today we are going to learn about Manasa Prakriti, which is also called as Mahaprakriti by Acharya Shushruta.
दोषवच्च गुणैरपि सत्त्वादिभिः सप्तप्रकृतयो भवन्ति तासादपि निर्वृत्तरैव यक्तोक्तैः शौचादिभिर्जानीयातम्.
Acharya Vagbhatta has designated 7 types of guna prakriti based on sattva, just like doshaja prakriti. He also stated, just as from the 3 dosha, even from the 3 gunas such as sattva, rajas, tamas, 7 kinds of constitution get formed and can be recognized from the features and behavior found in such person.
According to Ashtanga Hridaya Sharirika Sthana, Sauchastikhtadabi Chaivam Guner Gunam E Vardati.
Laghu Vagbhatta has not directly indicated over the types of manas prakriti, but by saying the features such as cleanliness, belief in God, persons are to be understood as belonging to the guna he indicated over the mahaprakritis.
इदं खलु सत्वं शुद्धं राजसं तामसम् इति तत्र शुद्धं दोषम् आख्यातं कल्याणं शत्वात् राजसं सदोषम् आख्यातं रोषां शत्वात् तामसम् अपि सदोषम् आख्यातं मोहां शत्वात्. Acharya Charaka in his Sharirasthana he clearly mentioned the 3 Mahagunas, that are Sattva, Rajasa and Tamasa. Sattva, which denotes the Kalyanam Shatvat, means auspiciousness. Rajasa, which denotes the Rosham Shatvat, means angriness. Tamasa, which denotes the Moham Shatvat, means illusionary knowledge.
It is one of the type of Manasika Prakriti. According to Acharya Sushruta, he explained Sattvika Gunas as Sattvikastu Anushansam, Samvibhaga Ruchita, Titikshna Satyam Dharma, Jnanam, Buddhir Meda, Smriti Dhutirna Abhishangasha, which simply means compassion, tendency to proper distribution, forgiveness, truthfulness, righteousness, faith, knowledge, intellect, retentive faculty of mind, which means attachment, are some Sattvika qualities. There are 7 types of Sattvika Gunas: Brahmya, Mahendra, Varuna, Kaubera, Gandharva, Yamya and Rishi Sattva.
Second is Rajasa Prakriti. Rajasa Prakriti person will be predominantly of Rajoguna. Acharya Shushruta in his Sharirasthana says that Rajasastu Dukkha Bahulata, Atanashilata, Adrutir Ahankaraha, Adrutikatvam, Akarunyam, Dambo Mano Harshaha, Kamaha Krodashya, which means they will be having excessive of unhappiness, lack of self-confidence, unsteadiness of mind, ego, Kama and Krodha. Rajasa Prakriti is again divided into 6 types. They are Asurakaya, Sarpakaya, Shakunakaya, Rakshasakaya, Paisachakaya and Pretakaya.
Third one, Tamasika Prakriti. In Tamasika Prakriti, the person having the predominance of Tamoguna. Acharya Shushruta, in his Sharirasthana, he mentioned that Tamasastu Vishaditvam Nastikyam Adharmashilata Buddhirnirodho Ajnanam Durmedastva Akarmashilata Nidralutvam Cheti. The predominance of the Tamoguna, which causes the sorrowfulness, atheistic, liar, misbehavior, stupid, laziness, sleepy mood, dullness, and with a suppressed knowledge or with a suppressed intelligence. Tamasika Prakriti divided into 3 types. First one, Pashavakaya. Second one, Matsyakaya. Third one, Vanaspatyakaya.
Is usmal breathing. Here K represents ketones, U for urania, S for surface, and the S for salicylates, M for methanol, A for aldehydes, and L for lactic acid. Next treatment, management.
Clinical importance of Mansika Prakriti. Sattva Rajastam iti guna prakriti samova nibandhante mahabaho dehe dehinam abhave. By achievement of dharma, artha, kama, moksha, sattva rajastams are very essential. Every mental state shows 3 properties in different proportion. Where there is a predominance of rajas and tamas guna, it leads to prajnaparada and ultimate to vyati. By knowing Mansika Prakriti of individual, doctor can diagnose the disease properly. By knowing Mansika Prakriti of oneself, he can choose his career option. For example, Satvika person can go to teaching job and Rajasika person can go to military force.
Prakriti has a prime importance in both healthy and the diseased person. By understanding the Prakriti of a person, we can advise food, drink, exercise, which are very important for maintaining the health. Manas Prakriti assessment is an expensive and labor intensive process. Assessment tools are need to be developed for measuring the qualities. Assessment of personalities based on the Manas Prakriti can provide important contribution to the research studies.